Hey there. Welcome back to Learning Made Fun, your ultimate destination for IT training content. Today, get ready to dive into setting a new container in Proxmox 8.0. So grab your snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. You'll notice we are in Proxmox. The environment is 8.0.3. Now this is a brand new setup. I don't have a lot going on in here except a test VM inside our instance here. We're going to start off and let's update our list of containers. So we're going to start off with update. Once again, I can't spell. There we are, and it's updated. Now we're going to do a PVEAM available so we can see what we have to work with. And this is our Turn Linux list. We go to the top here, we got Proxmox Mailgate, an Alpine, CentOS 9, Debian, Fedora. What I'm looking for, what I really want right now, is the latest Ubuntu. There we are, Ubuntu 23.10 standard. So on the left-hand side here, we got a couple of options. We have a folder, a directory actually, that I set up to accept our ISO files. And we're going to download that template and put it in this particular folder directory right in here, so that we can create our VM. So let's go back to our PVE and let's go back to our list. We can actually do that by just doing a history, or we could just go back up to PVEAM available once again, and we're going to copy this Ubuntu 23.04 standard. Just highlight it. Say copy, scroll back down, and PVEAM download. Now I want to put it in my local 3 directory, and then let's paste that template. So we're telling it to grab it and download it. We're telling it where to download, and now let's hit enter. Great. So I actually, there it is, saving it, 100%. Beautiful. Now, there was another one that I saw that I like, so let's just go back to PVEAM available. And Torrent Tomcat Apache. There we are. I'm going to want this one also. For a different tutorial. So let's go back. We did PVEAM. We want to download it. We want to download it to this directory. And let's paste. Okay, it's saving it. Taking a few seconds. '88. Okay. Brilliant. Now, before we go and create our container, it's good to know what resources we have before we just start allocating, right? So we're going to go to our data center, and we're going to go to summary, and it looks like we got 56 CPUs, we got 120, it says, I know we have 128, so we got plenty of memory, and we got a little, well, almost 4 terabytes of storage. So we got plenty of resources. You just want to be aware of what you have so that you don't give one of your servers more resources than you have available. So let's go back to our PVE. Without any further ado, we're going to create, oh, you know what? I almost forgot. In here, we're looking at the directory, but right now I have ISO images. So these are the ISOs in here that are available for a VM. We're looking to do a container. So we're going to go to our container templates. It's very easy if you have the wrong one selected to think you didn't do it and then go and ask it to download again, when in reality, it's already there. So we have Ubuntu 23.04, 23.10, and we also have our Tomcat Apache that I said I wanted to download so that we could use it on a different video later on. So let's get started. We're going to go to create our container. So let's go here and say create container. We're going to call this Ubuntu 23. Give it our password. So let's go find our template, which we put inside of the local 3. We want the newest one, this 1.0. Now when it comes to your disk, make sure that you select something that's got plenty of space. So we're going to go with this 3 terabyte right here. And I'm going to give it 30 gigabytes. 1 core. 512 megs of RAM. Our IPv4, 192.168. Let's go with the 36/24. All right, and we're not going to give it a domain yet. I guess we could. We can say Ubuntu. And then our DNS. We're going to go with Cloudflare. Okay, says it's done. Task okay. And then down at the status, it's okay. Okay, so now we can get out of here. And let's go start our new container. So we're going to go and hit start. Actually, if you just go to the console, it'll say guest not running. Now, if this is going to be something that's crucial that you need to be running all the time, you can also set this up for an auto start in case you ever reboot your server. So we could go to our, let me see, it's under resources, set options. Here it is, options, start at reboot. Right now it's default to no, but maybe this is your DNS server, maybe this is a tunnel, and you need this to be up and running. As soon as the machine comes back up, you can say start at boot. Let's do that. Now let's go ahead and go start. Go to our console. Beautiful. So now it's asking us to log in. We're going to log in as root right now and try to run those updates. Okay, so we're going to say apt get update and install them. There we are. Beautiful. So we're just going to clear this up. And there we are. We just downloaded a container and a template, and we created a new container. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.